So let's take a quick little look here and see what we got. So the first thing we're going to need for this Gibson Restore project is going to be a tailpiece. And I asked for this specific one. Wow, that looks very nice. Guyker makes very, very good products. And obviously if you wanted this to be shiny and new, you could choose that. I wanted something with a little bit of an aged effect. So it's not like relic in a way that looks terrible. It's very subtly aged. It just looks like normal everyday wear. Very, very pretty and very nicely done subtle aging here. So it looks like they maybe ran it through some kind of sandblasting system, but even that looks really cool. It's just a really subtle effect. Take a look at these guys. Oh yes. These are some gorgeous Guyker pickups. Very pretty with the shielded cable. And then Guyker sent me these tuning machines. Now I chose these because they have that Clusen style vintage look to them. I'm going to show you here. So they're branded Guyker Deluxe. We have these dark sort of minty green tulip buttons. This guitar came out awesome. I love the refinish. The antique Pelham Blue goes really well with the cream pickguard. Everything just looks really great. It's just got a good vibe to it. And we really did resurrect this guitar. It had a really terrible repair. And all we had to do was just kind of like take a good look at it, make sure everything was proper, and then just give it a nice little refinish. And that's it.